In Program 5 for Unit 3, we need to start by creating a function that computes averages. We'll call the function average and assume that it gets passed a list of numbers, which we'll call numbers. We'll compute the average of these numbers just as we did in Program 4 for Unit 2. We'll start a total at 0. Run one by one through the numbers in the given list and add each number to the running total. When we finish this 4, we've added each number onto total, so total will be the sum of all the numbers in the entire list. The answer is this total divided by the number of numbers which we can get using the len function. And since this is a function, we would like to return this answer. This is the answer that will be given back to the part of the program that calls the function. Now that we've defined the function, let's use it. The main part of our program is a loop that never stops. Each time through, we ask the user to make an entry. We're asking for numbers, but of course what the user types and what input returns is just a string. We'll need to go one by one through the words of that string and turn them into numbers. We'll store the result in this list, which we'll call user numbers, and we'll start that list empty. We'll go one by one through each word in what the user has typed, breaking it up in the usual way using the split function. Here we have a word consisting of digits, say a string 1, 2, 3. We'd like to turn 1, 2, 3 into 123. We can do that using the int function. Now we have a number and we'd like to add it to the list of numbers we're collecting. We take the list and use its method, append, to add the number that we've just computed. After this 4 is complete, we have all the numbers as numbers stored in this list. Now we can use the average function to see what the average is. We print the word average and then call the function called average, passing it the list of numbers we would like it to compute with. Our program should be complete. Let's test it using the examples in the problem statement. We'll enter 1, 4, 3, 2. These sum to 10. 10 divided by 4 is 2.5. Next example matches what we were given. And finally, we type 5, 2, -7. These add to 0. Dividing by 3 is 0. Again, the program is correct.